Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your laptop's touchpad if it isn't working on Windows 10. Follow these solutions one by one until your touchpad starts working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type
Settings.
Open the Settings app. Click Devices. Then select Touchpad from the menu on the left. Make sure your touchpad is enabled. Next, locate the touchpad sensitivity setting. Set the sensitivity to medium. Using a sensitivity that's too high or too low can sometimes affect how the touchpad responds. Now click Additional Settings. Open the Hardware tab. Select your touchpad from the list. Make sure the device status says this device is working properly. If everything looks correct, click OK and close the settings window. Now test your touchpad. If the touchpad still isn't working, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand Mice and other pointing devices. Locate your touchpad device. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search for the latest available driver and install it automatically. Once the update is complete, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, check if your touchpad is working properly. That's all there is to it.